what we want to do is we want to kind of be aware of how things progress, how to take advantage of the benefits, so we ultimately can add value to the brand and to the creators. Awesome. We are back. Today is episode 27. We're going to be diving into a new rollout from TikTok in the growth section regarding growth benefits. They've released something that has tiers that releases new functionality as your GMV grows. This is something cool, just rolled out probably, I think is as early as even today. I think we should get into it.
Let's do it. How you doing, Eric?
I'm doing. This TikTok journey is exciting. It's changing so fast, and that's what makes it. Makes it amazing. So, in the growth chapter of TikTok Shop, they have this new thing called growth benefits, and as you can see, TikTok is wild. As you can always see, they have the news section, logistics, feedback, but this is a new one under the growth tab called growth benefits. And so if you go to the starter tab, which means new account created, okay, and this basically gives you a few benefits. You get community, creator outreach newbie package, and things like that. And if you hover over it, it'll give you an idea of what you're getting. And being that it's a starter pack, you can see that it is very underwhelming. So what we want to do is we want to kind of be aware of how things progress, how to take advantage of the benefits, so we ultimately can add value to the brand and to the creators. So before we get into this, Ryan, what do you think about this, and how do you think that this could change the way we do things?
I think it's incredible. We've got a pathway to growth. Before we were figuring it out, we had our strategies in our back pocket, written down on a handkerchief, not telling anybody, and whispering it amongst each other. And now TikTok's telling you what to do. It's amazing.
I love it. I love it. Whenever TikTok leaves breadcrumbs, it's our job to follow. So let's go ahead and get into it. So you see here's the starter with the community creator outreach newbie package. Then as you get your first sale, you get some additional options such as the flash sale. You get creator outreach basic package, which customer outreach plan, which is pretty cool. So merchants can conduct user outreach in CRM with outreach quotas allocated weekly based on the merchant's GMV. The higher the GMV, the more quota they receive. And so what is the customer outreach plan? Well, that is in the customer segment, which is basically chatbots. And chatbots are kind of similar, or I would say probably the same as email marketing in the sense of event-driven activity. So you have people that made a sale and you send them a review request. You have people that you go live, you send them, everything is event-driven, the same as email marketing. And I think that this right here kind of, it gives you some more customizations and options that you can do for your outreach plan, and this kind of opens up that door a little bit further, which is fantastic. So then let's get to the pro level. Let's say we're exceeding 12.5. Now we've got the intermediate package. Let's see what we got here. So now you can see influencers who have over 20,000 fans. That is awesome. And you can see not yet unlocked. So for this account, this is not unlocked. And what they're doing here is they're showing you that if you follow this path, then you will get all these features, which will make it so that it kind of becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, which leads to brand and account growth. So awesome. Let's take a look. Merchant automatic registration tool. Merchants can choose to automatically sign up for TikTok Shop platform product recruitment activities by either online registration or uploading preset platform activities priced via Excel. That sounds amazing. Early bird discounts, platform and new product early bird setting tool, which promotes user purchase intent through price discounts and early bird price tags. This looks like an amazing feature for launching a new product. I think that sounds pretty cool. Pretty excited about that one. Expert, over 65K. Account manager. That is huge right there.
Huge.
So, absolutely.
Anybody that's done anything on TikTok knows you want an account manager. You need an account manager.
Yeah, I mean, up to this point, it's been humorous. So like everybody's like, do you know a rep? Do you have can you share it with me, or something to that effect? And the answer is they don't know. They have brands that were assigned to them and yada yada. And the system was very very underdeveloped, but this system right here shows you when do you get one assigned. Now, if you make 10 million off platform, you will automatically get account manager from the beginning. That's
Yeah.
still part of the getting you whitelisted on TikTok, and you reach out to us, we can help you with that. But here, if you are not a 10 million plus off platform, you get it at 65K GMV, which this is huge. Why is this huge? Because the support at TikTok is terrible. Their written literature is amazing, but the support is terrible. Why? Well, it's probably the fastest growing platform in the US, and they're having growing pains like no other. And so it is the only way to get some things done is through an account manager. So this is huge. Check out this feature. Access to dedicated customer service support with high priority response channels. That media, I'm like, what is that? So customer service support? That's like a new idea on TikTok. So
Yeah.
this is wild. I think that we're going to be in a new level with TikTok, and I think that these rollouts and being the fact that they got bought by a U.S. counterpart is going to add these kind of help us catch up and get to the places where we should have been a year ago much faster. This is
Eric,
very exciting.
I got a question. Would you agree that the reason why people would only buy their first product on TikTok in the past is because of absolutely horrific delivery times and service?
Yeah. So I think that the trust of a new platform definitely takes time, especially when you've been spoiled with Amazon and
Yes.
you can return anything for any reason and no questions asked. So TikTok is new and everything is kind of seller fulfilled. And whenever you have seller fulfilled, the accountability is it's a little bit it's
Hit and miss.
uh yeah, hit or miss. And so I think that that was kind of the thing that they were going through because
Yeah.
essentially it was an FBM model which was all seller fulfilled, and that kind of made people a little uncomfortable. But now with the new rollout with FBT really gaining traction and becoming something, it kind of gives accountability, and people tend to be a little bit more trusting. And the fact that the platform has finally got the final stamp saying it's not going anywhere with getting the American purchase tells me that we're here to stay, and this is amazing.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
I'm interested in the Creator Live deal. What's that?
Creator Live Deals, one of the promotional tools provided by the platform, which allows merchants to offer live stream exclusive discount products to designated influencers. This is huge.
Wow.
This is huge. So doing lives right now is huge. And we did a few videos ago about what people are doing to explode.
Sure.
And I think it was a few weeks ago. And one of the things was lives. And so, what makes a live different and how can you add value to that? And one of them is doing exclusive discounts in a live. And that's something that my team has been implementing is doing live discounts. And I think that that is huge. And this ability to do this is huge. Lives are really big in China. They're not as big here, but I think this is the year that lives take off.
Yeah, I agree.
Awesome. You can see that it's stacking on top of each other. I am very impressed with this and this. This is really huge. You have the follower coupon, basically means somebody follow your creator page, you can give them a percentage off, which is okay. Now, do keep in mind, discount stacking is an issue on TikTok. So when you give a coupon for this and a discount for that, it is an and, it is not an or. So do be careful in your coupons. Let's continue the journey. Now we have Elite. Wow. What do we have here? I see that we have gift with purchase, shopping gift with purchase promoted tools funded by merchants. Merchants can encourage customers to buy more products by offering free gifts. Oh, wow. So basically, you buy
Incredible.
this like a BOGO, buy one, get one.
Yeah, incredible. Really good.
They're the creator outreach advanced package. Okay. With high level influencers who have over 20,000 fans. Before it was under 20,000 fans. And they're basically telling you, "Hey, these are the areas or services you should be pushing to get the best results." That is huge. Look at this one they just added. Review coupon. That is gold right there. The ability to incentivize for a review. TikTok compliant. That's that's amazing. That's amazing. This is amazing. Now, this is brand new, and I
There's
do
one more
believe
here,
that's
Eric.
what's that?
Oh, no, a Premiere.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Now, this is the big boy level.
Yeah.
So 600K plus. Now we have partial refunds, where customers have poor shipping experience due to reasons such as missing damaged products or price changes. You can negotiate a partial refund. That is amazing. However, I do have some. There are some of the shop health score, which we'll go into, which kind of has it makes it difficult because, uh, but I do like to see that functionality, and with it presented correctly, you could very likely automate partial refunds into your workflow and could help essentially increase your margins. Here's a subscribe and save. This is gold. The fact that it's at 600K is it's a little scary, but this is the bread and butter to all consumables and strategies uh, in uh, in the consumable category. You have the buy more, save more,
I'm
quantity
looking at that
discounts.
now. That looks good. Buy more, save more, bulk purchase discount. The TikTok's going to be the place. It's. I'm telling you now, TikTok's going to be the place. There's no reason to shop anywhere else.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now we're looking at the big dog section, and you can see you got flash sales. You got outreach plans where you can reach out to pretty much anybody. You have the early bird discount for new launches. You have the automatically sign up for TikTok Shop platform and recruitment activities by either online registration or upload preset activity prices via Excel based on merchant preference. The system will automatically register selected products into relevant activities and allowing them to enjoy platform activities subsidies. Now, TikTok is huge with activity subsidies, and a lot of them are called TikTok campaigns, but there are ones that are exclusive based on higher GMV tiers. And so this right here, I can tell you, is going to be just gold right here. And
Yeah.
sometimes a TikTok funded campaign or something to that effect, they take the hit, and it's just value for the brand. So this is huge. The creator live deal, amazing. We went over the review coupon. The account manager is gold. The seller service, up to this point, this is non existent. This never existed. The only way that you got any sort of support was through FBT. And if you didn't have FBT, well, it was pretty much just automatically refund anything. And the brand basically took the hit. So having some sort of customer service support
Yeah, I
sounds
hated
amazing.
those auto refunds. I hated those auto refunds. It was just brutal.
Absolutely. So here's the over 20,000 fans. Amazing. The follower coupon. Amazing. Be aware for the discount stacking. Buy more, save more. That's always a good idea. 5% on 2, 10% on 4, yada, yada. Great. Great. Gift with purchase is basically the BOGO, which basically is a value add for the consumer. And it typically will increase conversion. And you can have a picture of both things. One says a gift. It's pretty cool option. Subscribe and save is the bread and butter on any platform. Amazon created this in scale, and it's been the best thing that they have done for the brand, in my opinion. And so seeing that here is also amazing. And then you have partial refunds, which allows the brand to remain profitable, which is great. It's nice to see that they're thinking of the brand. Now, this is the premiere. This is 600K. This is new. This is today. I'm excited. What do you think about how this is going to change TikTok for this year?
TikTok is going to become a purchasing platform. It's no longer just a place for people to scroll through videos. It's going to become a purchasing platform.
Absolutely, absolutely. I anytime that TikTok basically shows you the way, it basically says, here's your strategy. This is what to put your attention on. And this is what to do at this step in your journey. And if you click on any one of these, they will give you more information. I'm curious to see about the customer service. Okay, if you reach the required seller tree, you now receive this benefit, maybe because your account health is at risk. Okay, so they are giving you some caveats here, but I am I am excited. Honestly, I would love to see how much they bought TikTok for. I bet you it is probably one of the biggest exits of the decade. But this is amazing. I think that every brand should look at this. It might only be available on the master account, not the sub account. So do make sure that you are logged into that and make sure to look at where you are in the journey. You'll have a check mark and it gives you an idea of what you should be focusing on to get the most value out of your platform. And as you continue on this journey. So this is exciting. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, you want help, please reach out to us. This is what we do every day.
Thank you for watching. I am a team lead at Bullseye Sellers. I've been in the Amazon and TikTok space for over 10 years, and I've worked with over 100 brands, helping them generate over 100 million in sales. On this channel, I'm going to share real strategies and growth hacks to help you scale your Amazon brand and TikTok shop. If you would like help, please book a free strategy call with our team. A calendar link will be in the description. As well as, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.